In the softly lit bedroom, a sleepy child lies in bed, eyes fluttering shut as sleep gently beckons. In the stillness of the bedroom, a soft aachoo breaks the silence as the pillow twitches, its secret about to be revealed. Feather, please behave. The child stirs, but the mystery of the pillow remains undisturbed. The pillow's sneezing escalates, sending feathers erupting into the air. Feathers fill the room as the child coughs softly, tickled by the down. Amidst the chaos, the pillow pleads, "Feather, please behave." Amidst the chaos of feathers, the child sleeps soundly, their breath a gentle rhythm in the stillness. A voice whispers, "The sneezing is over." Suddenly, a sneeze shatters the quiet. "Aachoo!"